Transparency and client happiness are critical in today's retail business. Shopify POS meets these expectations by providing sophisticated order tracking features that allow shops and customers to monitor the status of their orders in real time. Retailers may improve transparency, streamline processes, and improve the customer experience by incorporating order tracking into their Shopify POS system. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of order tracking in Shopify POS, focusing on how it enables businesses to provide visibility into order fulfillment, streamline communication, and build customer loyalty. Order fulfillment in real time. Order tracking in Shopify POS allows retailers and customers to see the fulfillment process in real time. Retailers can get up-to-date information about the progress and location of each order by directly integrating tracking information from shipping providers into the POS system. This real-time visibility enables retailers to monitor order fulfillment status and ensure timely processing and delivery. Retailers may handle any potential delays or concerns ahead of time, improving operational efficiency and consumer happiness. Order monitoring also allows clients to keep track of the status of their orders. Customers can track their packages and estimate delivery dates by supplying tracking numbers or URLs using the Shopify POS system. This kind of transparency builds confidence, lowers customer queries, and improves the overall customer experience. Communication and customer service have been simplified. Order monitoring in Shopify POS helps retailers and customers communicate more efficiently throughout the fulfillment process. By offering tracking information to customers, retailers can communicate crucial updates such as purchase confirmations, shipping alerts, and delivery status in advance. This improved communication decreases customer inquiries and support requests regarding order status, allowing merchants to better allocate resources and focus on providing great customer care. Order tracking also allows businesses to resolve any possible difficulties as soon as they arise. If a product is delayed or has problems while in transit, businesses can contact out to concerned customers ahead of time, providing solutions or support. This proactive approach exhibits concern and attention to detail, which builds consumer trust and loyalty. Improving operational effectiveness. Order tracking in Shopify POS improves operational efficiency by providing retailers with insights into the fulfillment process and allowing them to better allocate resources. Retailers may monitor order fulfillment performance, identify bottlenecks, and enhance their operations by accessing real-time tracking data. With this data-driven strategy, merchants may streamline their procedures, eliminate fulfillment errors, and increase overall operational efficiency. Order tracking also enables retailers to properly plan inventory management and forecast demand. Retailers can discover sales patterns, estimate future demand, and optimize inventory levels based on order monitoring data. This proactive inventory management decreases stockouts, increases customer happiness, and lowers holding costs. Scalability and integration. Order monitoring in Shopify POS connects easily with numerous shipping providers, allowing shops to select their chosen carrier and give customers with reliable tracking information. Popular carriers such as UPS, FedEx, and USPS may be directly integrated into the Shopify POS system, assuring consistent and real-time tracking updates. Order tracking in Shopify POS is also scalable, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes. Retailers can use order tracking capability to deliver a uniform and transparent consumer experience, whether they run a tiny boutique or a multi-location retail chain. Order monitoring in Shopify POS enables merchants to increase transparency, streamline communication, and improve operational efficiency. Order monitoring develops trust, decreases support questions, and improves the entire customer experience by giving real-time visibility into order fulfillment and facilitating simplified communication between retailers and customers. Shopify POS's order tracking capabilities, with its seamless integration and scalability, empowers shops to fulfill consumer expectations, establish loyalty, and achieve success in today's competitive retail industry.